Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use an exfoliating face mask properly. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. What I have here is an exfoliating face mask. That's right, it is an exfoliating face mask, and it is in this package right here, and it is with argan oil. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that properly, but it's an exfoliating face mask. It's exactly what we're talking about. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply it. I'm gonna show you and tell you exactly how you should do this. Now, before I get into this, I will say, always follow the instructions on the actual face mask that you're using, okay? So if your instructions are slightly different, then follow those instructions, okay? But if you have an exfoliating face mask and you're like, I'm not sure, I just wanna see generally how to do it, well, this is generally, like as a rule of thumb, how many exfoliating face masks work. But use your judgment, follow the instructions, you can make your own decisions. You're a human being with your own brain, so if you don't agree with what I'm saying, or if your product shows to use it differently, then use it differently than I'm saying, okay? I'm going by the instructions that I know for exfoliating face mask. This is how I use an exfoliating face mask. But if you feel differently, if your instructions are different than what I'm showing you, then follow your own judgment, okay? It's up to you. You're your own person. I just want to say that. Also, you can choose whatever product you want to use that's an exfoliating face mask, and you can do it as many times as you want to. So at the end of the day, I'm showing you how I do this, okay? You can obviously do it however you want to. This is just how I do it. I'm showing you how to do it in terms of what I do, but you can obviously make any changes that you want to make and use your own judgment, obviously. You know, exercise your own caution, use your own judgment, do whatever you want to do. Anyways, I got that all out of the way, you know, just to make you understand that it's completely up to you. This is how I do it. You're going to do it however you want to do it. You know, that's all. I'm showing you how to do it in terms of my methods. So now that I said that and I got that out of the way, which is like 2 minutes long, I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? So this is how I do it. I open it up, okay? I'm going to get a little bit of the cream, not a lot. You're going to get a little bit. You want it just enough for a thin layer. You don't need a lot. So I'm just going to squeeze out just a bit of the cream right here, okay? Now, because it's exfoliating, you might end up, there might be like some rough stuff in it, right? That's very, very normal for exfoliating stuff. So in this, it's got like some like little sand-like things. It's not sand, but it's just like little crumb-like things in there. It's not sand, it's not crumbs. It's something in there that's meant to rough up the skin. Think about it like that. So I don't know what it is, okay? It looks like a little bit like almost like green or blue or black or brown. I'm not sure, it's a darker color. But essentially, it's not sand, it's not crumbs. It's something in there that's meant to rough up the skin. It's very, very normal to feel something rough or textured in there. I'm gonna get a little bit of it and I'm gonna put it on my cheek. You just want a thin layer, okay? So I'm gonna apply it just like that, a very thin layer, just like that. And I'm just gonna, just for the video purposes, I'm just gonna do one side. Obviously, you're gonna do your whole face, apply it to everywhere that you want to apply to. Now, most of the time, you're gonna see that it says, do not go around your eyes. So like I would use this as a rule of thumb. Wherever here my glasses are, I would keep away from anywhere that my glasses cover, right? So I would only go like up to here. That's what I do. I don't go close to the eyes. You should not go close to the eyes. Stay away from the eyes. Go like this. Like my glasses are like an outline of where you should avoid, essentially. Okay? Once you've rubbed the thin layer on your face, okay, all over that wherever, you know, you want to rub it, like I said, do not go close to your eyes, but everywhere else on your face that you're allowed to and supposed to rub it on, once you've done that, you're going to let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? After you've let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to thoroughly rinse it off to the point where it's completely off. Okay? After you've thoroughly rinsed it off and you're at the point where it's completely rinsed off of your face, then you have nice exfoliated skin. Okay? And at that point, you know, you don't have to use a moisturizer, but oftentimes they do say that you should use a moisturizer after, but you don't have to. So that's it. Literally, rub a thin layer in a circular motion on the areas of your face that you are supposed to apply it to. You should not go anywhere near your eyes, okay? Once you've rubbed it in there, let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. After you've let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse it off thoroughly with water, and once the rinsing is done, you can optionally apply a moisturizer. You don't have to, but you can do it optionally. And that's it. It's literally that simple. That's how to use an exfoliating face mask, how to exfoliate your skin, how to get the nice exfoliated skin, and hopefully you'll end up with a smooth skin that you want, the smooth skin that you're after. But that is essentially it. That is how to do it. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it, and I actually have nothing else to say for this video tutorial. I'm going to let this sit for, like I said, just a little bit longer, and I'm going to end up rinsing it off. But yeah, I have nothing else to say for this video tutorial, so with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.